TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, Tiger Financial News Network, 10 a.m. update, and we're looking at the Dow down 188 and 32,232. When you consider what's happened to the IWM and the QQQ and the SMH's semiconductor index, this is still pretty good when you consider the percentage that they've fallen. The Dow has gone from 33,227 to today's low of 32,159, 1,200 points. Not too bad. But it is saying that there's weakness here, and you've got to consider that this weakness is coming at a time where there is some uncertainty in the markets. So if you look at the S&P, with the Dow down 0.56%, the S&P is down 0.32, not as bad, but also arching over, and we've got to be careful about that because tomorrow, Friday, we're going to be able to assess weekly charts and see where they stand. So down 12 at 38.76. Look at the QQQ, the NDX 100. I would say it's close to the day's high so far, but it's down 20 cents at 311.73. The trouble is that it's starting this arching over formation. The H pattern we'll talk about in my show coming up, the Tiger Ignitions Hour. And if you look at this, it's in a sell mode in the daily, sell mode in the weekly chart. The QQQ is under pressure, NDX 100. And if you look at the IWM, look at this sharp decline, like an inverted V-shaped pattern, down 243 today at 209.66. This is down over 1%. And that was a peak F at 234.53. 234 down to 209. That's a big drop. And if you're looking at the gold tried to rally earlier on. It's now up about 6. It's in the sideways trading band. Silver's the same thing. I'll talk more about it a little later on when I come back. Silver dropped to a lower low. But look at this. The dollar is actually holding fairly well right now. It's up 3 ticks at 92.63, right on that 200-period moving average. Remember, that's been our benchmark. And if you look at crude oil, especially with what's going on in the Suez Canal, it is down 2.20 at 58.99. So there's a lot to talk about, especially bonds. So when we get back for the Tiger Technicians Hour, that's what we'll be discussing, all these different aspects, what could rally, what's fading, and of course, check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. We'll be back in a couple of minutes for the show. See you soon.